So Printify called and they told me they got $9.99 sweatshirts, y'all. $9.99 sweatshirts. Do you know what this means? If you are selling on Etsy or anywhere else, or even if you have purchased a sweatshirt, you know that they cost $30 plus. So if you are only paying $9.99 to get them made, that means you can make like a lot more money. All right. That means that your profit can be even more. So I'm excited about this. I was like, when I heard the news, I'm like, excuse me, do I need to put a little sweatshirt together for Christmas? You know, in my last video, we talked about how to actually create an item to make more profit for the holidays because everybody is buying. So if you are like, well, I want to add a sweatshirt to my collection that I already have, or I just want to jump out here and see how much money I can make, this is the time to do it. All right. So this is what I need you to do. Go get your laptop out. Go get your laptop. Go, if you got a desktop, go get your desktop. Pause this video because I need you to get it out right now. We are going to do this together. We're going to do it together. All right. Pause me if you need to. I need you to go get your stuff. Go get your stuff because I don't want to hear any more excuses. I still seen in the comments, I don't know where to begin. I don't know how to connect to Etsy. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. Listen, you are going to have to put a little bit of elbow grease in it this holiday season because a lot of people are selling items. But I'm going to show you how to get started today, all right? And then if you are interested in learning how to market or anything else, you can check out my description to number 1, start on Printify today and also learn how to market and sell your t-shirts, all right? So click the links down there and get started, all right? So again, I'm going to be on my phone, but if you have never like designed before, I don't even want you to try to do it this way if you haven't done it. I'm going to do it this way so that I can walk you through it as quickly as possible. But again, pause me at any time, come back and rewatch this video, do whatever you need to do in order to get started. So number 1, you may need to pause in between these numbers to kind of get yourself together if you need to, totally fine. But you are going to either create a design for your Christmas sweatshirt. For me, like if I was doing this, I would do something that related to Girl Plus God, right? Like it would just be a Girl Plus God Christmas, something like that. So I would either do it via Canva, which you can do so for free. You can get a free trial there, or you can do it yourself on Printify. They have several different options, which I will walk through with you. Or me, probably now I would just get a graphic designer to do it just because I don't feel like going through that right now. So you can also do that. But for the sake of today's video, we are going to design it on Printify. All right. So decide, that is your number 1 first step. What is your design going to be? All right. Number 2, you are going to click the links in my description box to go to Printify and you are going to create your account. All right. It is going to take you a couple minutes, if that, to create your Printify account. All right. I don't want to hear it because I'm over here doing it with you now. Okay. When you get on there, they're going to ask you a couple of questions, all of that. Once we get going, you are going to go to the catalog section, and this is going to show you all of the things that they have. And I am going to be looking down while I'm doing this with you. All right. So excuse my eyes for being down while we is working because I'm trying to help you get some money today. All right. So you are going to go to Sweatshirts. Now, I clicked on women's sweatshirts. From there, I am going to toggle to the lowest price because I want to get the $9.99. All right. As you can see, the $9.99 is for the Printify Premium, which you have to sign up for. However, even with the $12 price, that's still really, really good for you to make a lot of profit. All right. From there, you can see they also have different t-shirts that are on really great sales right now for you to kind of profit off of that. Because the thing is, right now, you can play around with your prices because it's a holiday exclusive. So because when something is limited or anything like that, you can have maybe a higher price point for people. All right. So you can see now I'm also looking at the men's sweatshirts, and I went to the women's sweatshirts. The men's are unisex, which means that women and men can wear them. I have on a unisex sweatshirt right now that is from Fear of God. So that's what it means when you see the unisex. All right. From there, we are going to go straight into production. We are about to design. So if you have been like, I just do not know what to do when it comes to design, I don't know what the first step is, I don't know any of that, we're about to do that today. Now, I will say, if you already have a t-shirt brand and an established audience, I can't even talk, that means that you want to do something that is speaking to your established audience. All right. I have a previous student who I love. Shout out to Debbie. If you see this, she had a brand about single women. I've talked about her before on the channel. And for Christmas, she made like a cute single ladies Christmas shirt, and she completely sold out because she used her previously established niche. Sorry, y'all, I can't get it together right now. She used her previously established niche and community that she already had, and then she went from there and created something fun for the holidays that everybody would want to wear. Remember, people are going to holiday parties. People are going to ugly Christmas parties. People want to represent what they believe during this time for the holidays, and you have the opportunity to do that, all right? So once you get in here, you can either upload your design if you did it on Canva. You can use AI, which I'm doing right now, or you can use text. There are so many different options for you. Printify is basically like doing it for you at this point. So y'all know I told you I'm from Detroit. If you have been here before, if you don't know, I'm originally from Detroit, and the Lions are doing it right now. So I'm gonna make a fun Lions Christmas sweatshirt. Okay. So at first, I got this like Detroit Christmas picture, which actually may work for people who are nostalgic and want to see like this old school version of Detroit. I didn't want that though. So this was, I added in the Lions at this point, and I'm like, okay, let's see. And it's taking a little minute. We got some lions. Okay, so it's very literal. Remember, it's AI, so you got to play around with it. And that could have still worked, all right? But you can keep hitting generate image until you reach your maximum to get to an image that you feel like really resonates with you, all right? So I'm going to generate a different image just to see what I get, because I do want something a little more about the team. And now we have the Lions by a Christmas tree, and I love it. All right. Just from that simple, easy process, we are just going to put our design in the middle of the sweatshirt. As you can see, they show you the print area. You cannot go outside of that area. Okay. So right now my sweatshirt is white. So I want to change the sweatshirt to be a different color because it doesn't reach the entire thing. And these are the color options that are available. All right. So you can play around with the colors, see what you like. You can go back in, redo your design, figure out what you like. I'm just doing this for the sake of showing you in the video that you can get started today. And I don't want no excuses out of you. Okay. So I just made it go because it's the holidays. It goes with the tree, you know, the yellow and the blue for their uniform, and that is my design. All right, you see how quick and easy that was for me to do it on my phone. If you are on your computer right now, I want you to be playing around with designs. I want you to be thinking about and seeing what your audience wants. Or you can also go to TikTok Shop, you can go on Etsy, you can go on Amazon and see what the best sellers are right now. See what is already selling well and see if you can put your little spin on there for the holidays, all right? From there, you are going to create your store. Now, I got a couple comments about this, like, I don't know how to start it. I don't know what store to set it up. Listen, there is no excuse. Do y'all see all of these stores you can connect your Printify account to? Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, Printify Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Press to Shop, and API. Now, y'all, it's right here. All you got to do is click the link to start wherever you want to start. And it doesn't have to be one place. If you decide, you know what, I want to try it on TikTok and I want to try it on Etsy, you can do that. All right. You can do that. And then if you need some advice, they got some advice. Like, I do not want to hear it. I literally want you to go ahead and get started today. Today. If you have been putting it off, and you're like, I just don't know what to do, there is never going to be a perfect time. Never. You are going to have to step out there and say, you know what? I really want to do this. I don't know everything to do, but I am going to try. And just try and see what happens. If you need help with marketing, make sure you go to the description box. I have my t-shirt brand magic in there. It'll help you with marketing and sales. You can also go on Printify, where they have a ton of articles and videos to help you sell. And if you want me to do a whole video on marketing for your t-shirts, just comment marketing or market in the comments and let me know. You will have to show up though. That means you're gonna have to get on social media. That means you're gonna have to maybe do a YouTube channel. That means you may have to do a podcast. That means you may have to go outside and tell people that you have your t-shirts. But the most amazing thing about all of this is that Printify allows you to connect to all of these channels. Amazon, Etsy, TikTok Shop, where a lot of the marketing is coming from traffic already being there, which means that it's a lot less work for you to do. And they have it all for you on Printify, all right? So please get started today, all right? No more excuses, whether it's t-shirts for the holidays, a new business, no matter what it is. I am rooting for you, wishing you so much success, and I will see you guys. I can't even say success. I don't know why I can't talk today, but I will see you guys in the next video.